The LCD will display a flush alert when a cleaning cycle is required. To start the cleaning cycle, insert the 1-cup basket into the portafilter. Place the cleaning disc inside, followed by 1 cleaning tablet on top of the cleaning disc. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Empty the drip tray and replace it into the machine. Fill the water tank to the max line, then reattach it to the machine. Press the menu button to enter the main menu. Use the grind amount dial to navigate the menu to flush. Then press to select. The 1-cup button will illuminate. Press the 1-cup button to start the cleaning cycle. The remaining time for the cleaning cycle will be displayed on the LCD. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the machine will beep and return to ready mode. If any of the cleaning tablet remains in the cleaning disc, repeat the cycle until the cleaning tablet has completely dissolved. Once the cycle is complete, empty and rinse the portafilter, cleaning disc, and drip tray.